Everio EX series. Overview. All models offer full HD AVC HD recording. Relive your memories in vivid detail. The back-illuminated CMOS sensor ensures clear pictures in low light. Advanced image stabilizer counteracts camera shake, even if you're walking alongside your subject. The compact, lightweight body is easy to hold. And touchscreen operation makes it simple to use. Recording is done on SD card. Just insert a card and you're good to go. Up to 64 GB SDXC cards are supported. Convenient software is supplied. Add titles, sounds, and edit. Then upload to YouTube or Facebook. It's all just a few clicks away. And more fun functions. The smile meter shows how big a smile is in percentage points. When you get a really good smile, the smile shot automatically takes a digital still. Everio's Konica Minolta HD lens assures high-quality images. Plus, you get 40 times optical zoom. Amazing close-ups from far away. The new zooming microphone changes the focal point to match the picture, so you can always hear what you see. With the time-lapse function, you can record creative videos like this. Plus, the image quality is full HD. Try it for yourself.